Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here I've come up with another video. So this is the context of my problem. You can take the screenshot of the context if you want. I'll just go through the problem statement. In this problem, we need to write a query that reports the buyers who have bought the product S8 but not an iPhone. And we need to return the columns. We need to write a query that reports the buyers who have bought the product S8 but not an iPhone. उन buyers को हमें show करना है जिन्होंने एसेट खरीदा है who have bought asset but not an iPhone. So we need to return the columns buyer ID and order the result table in ascending order. So इसमें हमें buyer ID दिखानी है और result table को ascending order में arrange करना है. And asset and iPhone products are present in the product table. Okay. Ascended item, I mean like product name is present in the product table. So we need to filter the results based on the product name as product ID might differ in test cases. So it is saying that like filter the results based on the product name as product ID might differ in the test cases. Okay. So here now I will consider what I need to show in the output. I need to show the buyer ID. So buyer ID we are getting from which table? We are getting from sales table. So here I will write from sales, select. I'll just keep the name of this table as S, select as dot buyer ID from sales as S. We need to show those product ID who have brought an asset but not an iPhone. We need to filter on this column product name as it has stated that like use the filter on product name not on the product ID, and product name is present in product table, so that's why we need to join these tables also. So I will write the condition of join product as p on as dot product ID is the column which is binding these two table is equals to p dot product ID. So here we need to write where that particular buyer where s thought a buyer ID they bought the asset or but not the iPhone in from product as p where p dot product name where p dot product underscore name is equals to asset but not an iPhone, and s dot buy with s dot buyer ID in this. But these buyers have not bought an iPhone. But select, whereas it will select as thought, whereas thought buyer ID in. But here we want that buyer ID column, right? So how can I get that? Yes. So here what we were doing, we are taking the buyer ID. So this buyer ID should like the buyer should have buy the product asset but not an iPhone. So this buyer ID is coming from sales table. So here we don't need join. Yeah, here we don't need join. We just need join in the where query. So select buyer ID from seller where that buyer has bought the on has dot product ID. Here we will need join is equals to p dot product ID where p dot product name is equals to asset where the buyer has bought the asset but not an iPhone, and s dot buyer ID the same buyer has not bought the iPhone, not in. Let me just copy this query from here and just change the product name from asset to iPhone. Asset to iPhone. This is also an important question. iPhone. And here we will show the distinct buyer ID. So I'll write distinct keyword here. And we need to order this by buyer ID in ascending order. So it should be ordered by one. Let me just see the output, if my output is correct or not. Yes, so this is correct. So thanks guys for watching the video. We'll meet in another video in another session. Oh, let me just tell you one another part. Here we are using if you have this question, why this question is important, because in this question I have used joins in where query. I think in not in any question we have done that, or if I have done, then like not mostly we do that. So that's why I've shown you this question. This question is also very important, and it is good that we have completed in one go. So thanks guys for watching the video. We'll meet in another video with another problem. Until then, goodbye. And please do hit the like button, share the video as much as possible, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone.